गुड आफ्टरनून, दिस इज ड्यूबेरीज एनिवर्सरी और मैं ये हिंदी में रखूंगा पूरा, क्योंकि सब लोग को समझ में आए और सब लोग समझे। और अपना मेजोरिटी क्लाइंटेल सब गुजराती फैमिली से है, तो मैं उनको भी बधाई देना चाहता हूँ कि उन्होंने ड्यूबेरी पे इतना ट्रस्ट रखा और अपने को इतने मौके दिए। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट वी गॉट अ ब्यूटीफुल टीम जो एज अ फैमिली के हिसाब से काम करती है। और फ्रॉम द डे वन, जब से कंपनी शुरू हुई है तब से कंपनी ने कोशिश की है कि हर एक एम्प्लॉय को एक फैमिली एटमोस्फियर मिले और फैमिली के हिसाब से ही काम करे। और ड्यूबेरी की जहाँ तक की अभी तक की जो जर्नी है, उसमें जितनी भी सक्सेस मिली है सब स्टाफ की वजह से मिली है। मैनेजमेंट 2 स्टेप आगे बढ़ा है तो स्टाफ 4 स्टेप आगे बढ़ा है। 3 साल में काफी ऊपर नीचे देख लिया हम लोग ने। बाय गॉड ग्रेस ऊपर ज्यादा देखा, नीचे हम लोग ने कम देखा है। कंपनी की स्टाफ की मेहनत ऐसी थी कि कंपनी को नीचे देखने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी, तो भगवान चैलेंज लेके आ गया। कोरोना के रूप में काफी लॉस हो गए थे सब लोग, क्योंकि कोरोना बिल्कुल छोटी बीमारी नहीं है और जिसकी वजह से एज अ होल इंडस्ट्री को इफेक्ट हो गई। रियली प्राउड के मेरे पास वो टीम थी जिसने घर पे बैठ के भी काम किया। कोरोना नहीं था तभी भी घर पे बैठ के काम करती थी टीम। और कोई भी क्लाइंट को कहाँ पे भी सर्विस देना है, माय टीम इज ऑलवेज रेडी फॉर दैट। तो मैं बोलूंगा कि ड्यूबेरी कंपनी की जो बैकबोन है, स्पाइन है, दैट इज माय गुड टीम, जो एक्सपीरियंस भी है। न्यू कमर भी आया है, वो भी एक्सपीरियंस हो गया विद इन 2 months। मतलब दे वर्क लाइक, मतलब वर्कहोलिक है सब लोग, ये मैं कह सकता हूँ। आई एम रियली फीलिंग ग्रेट। दिस इज अ डे ऑफ अवर एंजॉयमेंट। तो मैं ज्यादा बिजनेस की बातें नहीं करूंगा। आप लोग ये डे को भी एंजॉय करिए, क्योंकि पूरा साल तो काम करते ही है हम लोग। और सबसे बड़ी बात है अपनी कंपनी की, वो ये है कि हम लोग एक्सपेरिमेंट करने को नहीं डरते हैं। और आई एम रियली फीलिंग प्राउड कि along with the top management, along with the lower management, everybody is working towards experiment। कुछ नया करना, चलो करते हैं। एंड दैट स्पिरिट इज कीप अस गोइंग। और ये कंपनी को जो पोजीशन में हमको देखना है, आई एम मोर देन 100% श्योर विद द हेल्प ऑफ अवर जोनी सर और पूरी टीम की वजह से कंपनी नेक्स्ट 2 years में और माइलस्टोन्स पे खड़ी हो जाएगी। सो आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट और लेट्स एंजॉय टुडे। आज अपनी एनिवर्सरी है। थैंक यू वेरी मच
एंड हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी। ये 3 साल कैसे खत्म हो गए फास्ट पता नहीं चला। और अभी जो आगे 2 साल मेहनत करनी है अपने को, तो बहुत करनी है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टीम को कहना चाहता हूँ कि ये जो अपना बिजनेस है हॉलीडेज का, सबको घुमाने का, ये ऐसा है कि सबको जो मन चाहा मिल जाए वही अपना ट्राई करना है। तो ट्राई योर बेस्ट। थैंक यू।
હાય ડ્યુબેરી હોલિડે, ક્યાં 3 વર્ષ પૂરા થઈ ગયા ખબર જ ના પડી। મારી એવી ભગવાનને પ્રાર્થના કે બીજા વર્ષો આવી રીતે જ પૂરા થાય અને આપણે જીવનમાં આવી જ રીતે પ્રગતિ કરીએ। થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ ડ્યુબેરી ટીમ એન્ડ હોલિડે।
Hi Dewberry Holidays, happy anniversary, 3 years completed and congratulations. આવી રીતે જ આગળ પ્રગતિ કરતા રહો એવી મારી શુભકામના છે અને થેન્ક યુ ફોર ટીમ્સ. થેન્ક યુ.
Hi sir, hello to everyone. First of all, congratulations for the 3rd anniversary of our company, and I would like to take some time to thank you for giving me opportunity to work, grow in such a good and healthy environment where I have learned from scratch to where I have now. So once again, I would like to give a regards and also thank to giving me such a wonderful experience. Thank you.
Congratulations to Dewberry family, to us for completing 3 successful years for this company. I started this job 1 year before, on first May 2019. As a fresher, I can experience that both the sir, like Ashish sir and Johnny sir, both were so supportive. Even if we were having some mistake, they were so supportive. Even in our good times, even in our bad situations, they were the backbone for us. They always supported us. They never gave the feeling of the bossy feeling to us. They were so supportive. Also, our manager, Ms. Vaja, she was also so supportive in all this journey. As a first job and as a fresher, I really learned very well over here, and also I have learned many things which I was afraid of doing. They always have told me that do this. I was very afraid of airline ticketing, and still they supported me very well. And yes, congratulations to us. Congratulations to Dewberry Holidays.
Dewberry Holidays. Hello everyone. हेलो आशीष सर एंड आशीष सर, मतलब जिनको हम लोग जॉनी सर के नाम से पहचानते हैं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो वेरी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर कंप्लीशन ऑफ 3 years टू ड्यूबेरी हॉलीडेज. इट्स अ वेरी ग्रेटफुल. मैं बोल नहीं सकती हूँ कि कितना मैं खुश हूँ. और जैसे बोल सकते हैं ना कि मैं ये माय नेम इज रश्मि एंड मैं ड्यूबेरी हॉलीडेज से लास्ट 3 years से ज्वाइन हूँ. जब से कंपनी स्टार्ट हुई है तो मैंने सभी स्टेप्स, मतलब बोल सकती हूँ सब चीज मैंने ड्यूबेरी हॉलीडेज में फील किया है एज अ फैमिली. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल की क्लाइंट सर जो है हमारे आशीष सर, बोथ आशीष सर ने हम लोगों को बहुत ही सपोर्ट किया है. नॉट अ एम्प्लॉय टाइप बट फैमिली टाइप. उन्होंने बहुत सारी जगह पे हम लोगों को बोल सकते हैं ना कि हमारी अगर मिस्टेक भी रहती है, कहाँ पे हम लोग छूट रहे हैं कुछ, उन्होंने बहुत ही सपोर्ट किया है हम लोगों को. एंड बेसिकली मैं उसके लिए एक थैंक यू बिग उसके लिए बोलना चाहती हूँ कि मेरे में मैं है ना अहमदाबाद से, बेसिकली आई एम बेसिकली फ्रॉम अहमदाबाद. तो मुझे मुंबई मेरे लिए नया था. मुझे था कि मैं कैसे नई कंपनी में एडजस्ट कर पाऊंगी, कैसे रहेंगे वहाँ के लोग. बट हाँ, ड्यूबेरी हॉलीडेज में आते मुझे वो डर बिल्कुल भी गायब हो गया. सो थैंक यू सो मच आशीष सर एंड ड्यूबेरी हॉलीडेज. थैंक यू सो मच.
Congratulations Dewberry Holidays, Ashish sir, Johnny sir, Varsha ma'am, Twinkle ma'am, Sweetie ma'am, team, everyone, and thank you for supporting me in everywhere. Thank you very much. Bye, miss you.
Hello everyone. First of all, thanks to my bosses for the completion of 3 years of Dewberry Holidays. It's an amazing experience while working this organization, and thanks to all my bosses and managers to give me this opportunity for working with this organization. I have learned a lot of things from my bosses, and they always help me to.
And hello team, congratulations for completing 3 years of Dewberry Holidays. I wasn't there from the start, but the time I joined in June 2018. Since then, I have been having a wonderful journey with this company. This is not just a company for me. It's just like another family where I'm working with, and it's an amazing startup that I'm working with. I'm learning and having a lot of experience as a fresher, and I can say that the company had made me so strong that after 2 months in this company, I thought that I'm no more a fresher because of such an amazing support by seniors and both the bosses. They have been supporting us throughout. Special thanks to both the bosses for always supporting us, and no matter what the situation is, it might be a good situation, it might be a bad situation, but bosses have always appreciated us in the good situation, and in the bad situation they have taught us what to do and what not to do. And special thanks to Varsha ma'am as well, because she is not just a manager kind of a manager. She is one who can help you out with everything and anything. Even if you are stuck with anything, like if you're stuck, like your client is stuck somewhere, the only person you can go and talk to is Varsha ma'am first, before the bosses because that's what the protocol that we have to follow. But it's never the protocol here. But there comes an ethic which we have to follow. But nevertheless, keeping everything aside, all the top management people, managers, my seniors have supported me and have taken me through a wonderful journey which I have achieved. And a very thanks to Team Dewberry. It's not a team, it's a family. Thank you.
First of all, congratulations to Dewberry Holidays for completing 3 years, and I also completed 3 years in Dewberry Holidays. It has been a wonderful experience which I got in 3 years, and जो अपॉर्चुनिटी मुझे चाहिए थी लाइफ में, मतलब सीखने की बहुत कुछ, अकाउंट्स पूरा हैंडल करने की, वो अपॉर्चुनिटी मुझे आशीष सर ने दी है, और वो एक्सपीरियंस जो भी रहा है और बहुत कुछ सीखने मुझे मिला है इसमें। और जॉनी सर, उनको भी बहुत थैंक यू सो मच, क्योंकि उन्होंने हर मतलब मेरे काम में मतलब छोटी छोटी मिस्टेक्स निकाल के मुझे परफेक्ट किया है, तो उनको भी थैंक यू सो मच जो ये चांस दिया है ड्यूबेरी में काम करने के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच
sir and ma'am for the completion of 3 years of Dewberry Holidays, and I also completed almost 2.5 years. It was a wonderful experience in Dewberry Holidays. I can say one of my best working experience. So, and I've got amazing colleagues, and we've learned a lot from both the bosses, from Ashish sir and from Johnny sir. I mean, in every aspects of our work, I mean, they've helped us. They've also been very supportive, even if we have done something wrong, or if we do some mistake or something, they always come up to us and tell us that no, these are the way the things has to be done and all. And we have really been grateful that even these tough times of COVID, that where people are not even secured about their jobs, they don't have a job security, we are still coming. In fact, our bosses were telling us to come even in June, from June, where other I know one of my friends and all, where they have not been called in their office also. So we're very grateful for that. And the last but not the least, I'm also very thankful that this office has given us an amazing manager, that is Varsha. So we have a very nice bonding between our colleagues, between our bosses and our team. So it's really been an amazing experience.
Is Dewberry? Oh, we're 3. No, it feels much more than that. It definitely feels much more than the 3 years old company. It's been really, really great and fruitful journey, I must say. With having such an amazing bosses, we've been captain of our ship, Mr. Ashish Shah and Johnny sir. Both of them have been amazing guides, not only in the professional life but yes, in personal life too. And that's what made it as a family and not just a company. I've been a part of this company from the time of inception, and it gave me an experience of what it means to become a mother before I became one. Because this company is not just company, it's like a baby for me. Each and every team member that I have chosen, and now that we are working with, they are no more a team members to me, but they are my extended family. It's been such a beautiful experience, that how this company has made me special in every phase of my life, and how they have supported me through. In this pandemic that we all are going through, trust me, we were all hopeless and shattered, understanding that, because we all know that the travel industry is the biggest industry that has got hit from this pandemic, and we will take long to come up. But with Dewberry Holidays, the situation has been different, or it has been made different by the amazing mentors whom we call our bosses. They never made us feel that this is the end. They always made us feel that this is a pause, take time, learn from it, develop yourself and become the best of you. And that's what we are. We've already started reaping fruits from that. We started coming to office, which built our confidence definitely. and after that now we have already started doing bookings as well, and our clients have started supporting us. So thanks everyone who has been a part of this family by being a team member or by being a client. We are 3 years old now. Congratulations.